Hello friend, welcome you all. In the last session we were discussing about the RS symbolism. Moving further, today we are going to discuss about the microstate. First of all, try to understand what is meant by microstate. To obtain various RS term symbol, the different combinations of ml and ms values are possible, and the only allowed combination of ms and ml value for an electron are called as a microstate. These microstate are considered as allowed only if they are obeying the Pauli's and Hund's maximum multiplicity rule. So next, let's try to understand how one can go for the calculation of number of microstate for specific electronic configuration. The formula used to calculate the number of microstate is equals to n factorial divided by r factorial into small n minus r factorial. Here the term n stands for the twice the number of orbital, means for the s orbital the value of n is 2, for p orbital the value of n is 6, and for d orbital the value of n is 10. We will try to focus more on this n value when we are going to discuss the examples. The next term used here in this formula is small r factorial, and here r is nothing but the actual number of electron present in the orbital. Let's try to solve the example on this topic. The first example is P1 configuration. Here the value of n is 6 and the value of r is 1, because the system is only having one electron, so value of r is 1, while n value is 6 as the p contains 3 suborbital, so 2 into 3 becomes 6. So by placing this value in the formula, we will be getting 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 6 minus 1 factorial. So this 6 factorial can be splitted as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and the denominator term as 1 factorial will remain as it is, and 6 minus 1 factorial becomes 5 factorial, and it can be splitted as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial. So this above 5 factorial and denominator 5 factorial will get cancelled. So the remaining term is only 6 divided by 1, so it becomes 6. So 6 number of microstates or possible arrangements are there for P1 configuration. The next example is P2 configuration. So here also the only change is the actual number of electrons present in the p orbital are 2. In the last case it was 1, here it is 2. The capacity of the p orbital is 6, so the value of n becomes 6. So by placing the value of n and r in the formula, we will be getting 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. So 6 minus 2 factorial becomes 4 factorial, and above the 6 factorial can be split as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 factorial is split as 2 into 1, and the n minus r is nothing but the 4 factorial, and it is split as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this similar term will get cancelled. At the above side will get only 6 into 5, and at the denominator side only 2 is there. So 6 into 5 becomes 30, and divided by 2, 30 divided by 2 becomes 15. So total 15 number of microstates are possible for the P2 electronic configuration. The next example is D2 configuration. Here the orbital is changed, d orbitals are having 5 d orbitals, sub d orbitals. So 2 into 5, it becomes 10. So the value of n here, it is 10. Similarly, the value of r here, it is 2, because the given system is d2 electronic configuration. So by placing the value of n 10 and value of r 2, we will get the equation as 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. So 10 minus 2 factorial, it becomes 8 factorial. So above side we can write the 10 factorial as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by bottom side 2 factorial or 2 into 1 into 8 factorial. So this 8 factorial will get cancelled, and the remaining thing is 10 into 9 becomes 90, and denominator side only 2 is there, so 90 by 2 becomes 45. So in this way, the total number of microstate possible for the D2 electronic configuration is 45. So these are the some examples by which we can understand how we can calculate the number of microstate. So for today we will stop here. We will be coming with the next topic. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.